System Test 21, we've got an interesting theme for this video, which is that I don't have a single mechanical horn in the system. And that's the first time on my channel that I've ever done that. So let's see what we do have. Next to the exit door I have the Simplex 425121. And then across from that I have an Edwards 202 strobe, which is 110 candelas. Is it candela or candelas? I honestly don't know. I have the Edwards 270 SPO, the newer one, next to the furnace. And I have the System Sensor Mass 24M, and I'll show you the, well, at least for the strobe, a little model number there. And it's set on low continuous tone. And of course I still have the lights there. Next to the sump pump I have a System Sensor SS-24 strobe. And I still got the other smoke detector over here. You can see I'm going to replace the battery powered detectors for next system test. This one I just kind of wanted to do something light. So here's the panel, of course. Next to the panel I have the other Edwards 270 SPO. And then I have this. So this is obviously a Simplex 2903. And it looks like there's a 9838 behind it, but I have something else there instead, and you'll see what that is. This is the sort of exciting announcement for this system test video. So if you've been following the system test videos for a while, you would know that I have to come down here and screw in each of these terminals individually, which is a very painstaking process. And then the way this wire is built, it makes it kind of difficult to run it through the house. So the way I've combated this is I got one of these and had an idea. What if I take a modem cable, or whatever it's called, and just make it so that all I have to do is plug this in like this, run that under the door, come out here into the garage, and plug in side B right down there, and boom! That's all the setting up I have to do for that. So in the garage I have the Simplex 425121L, and I have the Faraday remote light, the F9962D. So that's pretty cool. And in my room I have another Mass 24M and the 2099-9754. But let me set it off first, and you guys will get to hear this system in action and see everything, and so it should be pretty fun. Oh, that's weird. This one has a lower pitch than the other one. So that's that. And now we will switch it over to March time. And how about we go try the pull in the garage? Sorry if I seem like I'm in a little bit of a rush, but this is the only chance this week that I'm probably going to have to film this, and I only have like an hour to do it, so let's do March time walk test with the 270 SPO number 1. And then let's do March time walk test with 270 SPO number 2. Now we'll do continuous, and we'll do continuous on a way that we haven't done in a little bit, which is the smoke detector. So we'll just get one of these little doodads here, also known as a screw, and we will go ahead and set that off. You can see it's going to flash here. There it goes. No. Bad kitty. That is so loud. I forgot I had walk test on. That was weird. It didn't turn off the smoke detector there for a little bit. That's why you do system tests, is so you can find problems like those. But I'm not really sure why. It's supposed to cut the power to it immediately, so that's kind of weird. That's not all the content I have for this video. I also want to show you that I finally went and replaced the emergency lights. And the result is going to be ever so slightly more disappointing than you probably imagined. And I'll tell you why after I show you the result. So let's turn them on and see what it looks like. But first, let me activate my camera's low light mode. So I know there's going to be light bleeding in from outside, but that's fine. So you can see there's one of them. These are LED lights, as you can see. They function pretty well as spotlights, and of course, typical with LED lights, they don't really spread that much, but they are pretty bright. You can see it casts a decent light on the floor. And my fear with this one in this position was kind of realized, because you can't see the sump pump with that light on, and that's kind of what I wanted its purpose to be. So I'll have to figure something out with that. And you'll also notice that there isn't a light. There isn't a light here or here. And that is because I bought these lights from an unnamed location in China. And so the result is a bunch of these don't work, which is great. And then I had this one, which you can see actually detached from the thread, which is great. Come around next system test video, I'll have some different lights hopefully. I'll also, like I said, I'll have the detectors replaced, and maybe I'll have a few other surprises. I'm going to be one of those shameless YouTube personalities now. I have a second channel called SVR_Nova where I post video blogs just about some of my stupid daily life crap, even though it's not a daily vlog. I'm going to be posting sort of a behind the scenes video of making this system test, and so I'll link it in the description and you guys can go and watch it. Go check it out if you don't have any plans for the rest of the day. I mean, you might as well check it out. So, and with that, thanks for watching. Oh yeah, also to the guy who told me to stop saying thanks for watching, I thank you the most, actually. I thank you the most for watching and leaving a comment, because that's really nice of you to do. I'll see you later this month, hopefully, when I film System Test 22. Water's starting to pool up out here again. 20 seconds.